What's up guys, my name is Bailey and in this video I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to list and sell on StockX. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so recently I sold a pair of Nike shoes that I purchased a couple days ago, which I had posted a video about, and I told you guys that I was going to hold on to those shoes for a couple days or a couple weeks to see if I can resell them for more instead of instantly selling them on StockX. I was successful in selling one pair of shoes today, and I wanted to jump on here to make this video to show you guys how to source the shoe, how to list it, how to pack up the shoe, and how to ship it out and get paid from StockX. So I'm gonna pull up my screen right here. I have my iPhone in my hand. I'm gonna pull it up so you guys can see what's going on within the application. So once you go into StockX, it's gonna show you a screen just like this. You're gonna wanna go into the account section, and once a shoe has sold, it'll be in your pending area. So go ahead and click the shoe that sold. So as you can tell, I have one shoe right there, the KD11 Ant Pearl. So that's the shoe that I sold earlier today. Go ahead and click the shoe that you sold. In the top right, it's gonna have a print label button. You're gonna wanna click that button to print the label. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much I made. So I sold the shoe for $220. The transaction fee with StockX is $18.70. The payment processing is 3%. That cuts it down by $6.60. Shipping, StockX actually covers all your shipping for you. The only thing you need to cover is to buy the box as well as get the tape for the box. And then the total payout after all the fees is $194.70. And as you can tell at the very bottom right here, it's a sale date. So this got sold just a few minutes ago. So the total payout, $194. I bought it for $105 after the 30% discount from Nike. And with this 30%, it actually knocked it down by 45 bucks. So it's always great to check your Nike store to see if they have promotions going on that day or if they have deals for shoes and footwear. So after tax, the price was about $115. I'm gonna go ahead and put up all the numbers on the screen for you guys right here so that you guys can see how much I made from this one pair of shoes from holding it for a couple days instead of selling it instantly. So let's go into printing off the label. Go ahead and click that print label button. It's gonna go ahead and generate that shipping label for you. And then you're gonna wanna click that print shipping label. If you have a printer that can do mobile printing, you can print it directly from your phone. My printer does not do mobile printing, so I'm gonna need to jump into the computer and print that out for you guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and jump into how we box up our shoes when we ship it out to StockX. So let's jump into the scene right now. Alright guys, so you're gonna wanna go and grab the pair of shoes that you have sold. The shoes that I sold on StockX are these right here. These are the Nike Zoom KD11 AP. They're the size 11s. There's a stock number if you want to check it out. Go ahead and grab that box of shoes. I'm going to open it up to show you guys what these shoes look like. So these are the shoes right here. They're brand new, unworn, as you can tell. The box is in perfect condition. There's no rips, there's no tears. So grab your box. Once you grab your box of shoes, go ahead and grab the box that you will ship it in. I have this box right here. This is a box that I got from Walmart. It's a 14 by 14 by 12. This costed about 80 cents at Walmart. If you happen to ship shoes that are bigger than this box, you can go ahead and grab one of these boxes. These boxes right here are also sold at Walmart. These are 15 by 12 by 10s. These are a little bit more, but it is a little bit bigger than these smaller boxes. Alright guys, so all you need to ship out the shoes is some tape. I have a tape gun with some tape in it. The box that you're going to ship it in. The shoes that you sold. These are the ones that I sold, which I've already shown you. And also the shipping labels that I have printed out right here. So first, you're gonna wanna tape up your box. So I normally do it like this. I put 3 strands of tape down the middle and then 2 on the sides. Now the reason I do this is because I don't want to tape up the whole bottom or it's going to waste a lot of tape. Flip it over. You're going to want to open up your shoes. If you haven't done this already, go ahead and check the shoes. Make sure that they're not dirty, there's no stains on them, they're brand new, unworn. And also check the box. Make sure that there are no rips in the box or any dings like that. StockX is really picky when it comes to brand new shoes. They need to be dead stock. And dead stock shoes, this means that they're brand new from Nike, unworn, and everything is pretty much flawless with them. Go ahead and check those shoes. Then you're gonna wanna grab your labels. The shipping labels, you should have printed out 2 of them. The first page looks like this. This one will go inside the box of shoes. So you place it on top just like this. Close the box of shoes, drop it in the box, and go ahead and tape that bad boy up. Once you're done with that, you're gonna grab the second label you have. This one's gonna be the shipping label that you attach to the box itself. On the top part, there's gonna be some dotted lines. Go ahead and cut it off. That top part is yours to keep. It's kind of like a receipt. You can go ahead and file that away, or if you don't want it, you can throw it away because you have it in your email once you print it out. So all you need is this right here. Go ahead and take this and tape it onto the box. Just like that, you have your box of shoes ready to ship out to StockX. That's all I have for you guys in this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you guys have any questions at all on selling on StockX or any other platforms, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. I hope you guys found some inspiration in this video. A lot of you guys are asking me how I earn passive income or how I make a little bit extra income on the side. This is how I do it. If you guys want to follow my journey, I'm going to be posting a lot of content throughout the days, showing you guys what I do or what I have done in the past to make passive income or even just to make income on the side. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.